Mastering subject verb agreement is essential for clear, polished communication. The following tips will help you recognize common pitfalls and apply the rules with confidence in everyday writing and speech. First tip in line: identify the true subject and not just the nearest one. Example: members of the team lose the championship. Now the question is, what is the subject in the sentence? Is it members only or members of the team? The answer is members only. So that's why our verb here is actually plural verb, which happens to be lose. Our second tip is ignore prepositional phrases when deciding verb number. Take a look at this example. The backs of old books was heavy. So the question, is there any intervening phrase in this sentence? Yes, there is. And the intervening phrase is actually of old books. So if there is an intervening phrase, we must focus and look for the original subject of the statement. Now, the original subject or the subject in the statement is the backs. That's why we can say the backs was heavy. It could be a complete sentence. Or we can also say like this, which is the backs of old books was heavy. That's why we have singular verb in the sentence, which happens to be was. Another tip is using singular verbs for collective nouns unless emphasizing individuals. Let's take a look at these examples. The first sentence, the team is winning. What is the subject in the sentence? Team. And team is a collective noun. And because this is a collective noun, this is singular in form, as well as its verb. The second sentence, the team are arguing among themselves. Now, the question is, why is it team is a collective noun and the verb is plural, which happens to be are? It's because it emphasizes individuality. That's it, and those are few tips to master subject verb agreement. Before we end this video, I would like to give you a simple quote about subject verb agreement. If the subject's one, the verb's alone. If they're a crowd, the verb gets grown. So there you have it. This is English Corner with Teacher Juna. Please like and follow my FB page, English Corner, and my YouTube channel, https www.youtube.com at English Corner with Teacher Juna. Thank you for watching.